Welcome to Almaty, Kazakhstan, a city where history, nature, and culture converge to create a truly captivating experience. In this immersive journey, we'll uncover the stories, landscapes, and treasures that define Almaty. Almaty's roots are intertwined with the Silk Road, the ancient trade route that connected civilizations. Known as Father of Apples, the city's name reflects its connection to the birthplace of the apple tree. Almaty's apple orchards have flourished for centuries, symbolizing Kazakhstan's rich heritage as a center of apple cultivation. Now, let's explore the natural wonders that earned Almaty its nickname, the City of Mountains. The Tienshan Mountains provide a playground for adventure enthusiasts, offering activities like hiking, skiing, and horseback riding. In summer, they bloom with vibrant wildflowers, while winter blankets them in snow. Almaty gracefully marries tradition with modernity in its architecture. Soviet-era structures harmonize with contemporary skyscrapers, creating a unique urban landscape. The Kazakh culture thrives in Almaty, celebrated through music, dance, and delectable cuisine. The city's bustling bazaars offer a sensory delight with dishes like bishbarmak and plov. Almaty's urban life is a vibrant tapestry, boasting a thriving art scene, gourmet dining, and a nightlife that never sleeps. The city's streets hum with activity. And the Medu ice skating rink, one of the world's highest, invites visitors to glide amidst the mountains. Almaty is a hub of education and innovation, with world-class universities and research institutions driving progress in various fields. Here, cutting-edge research takes place in fields like space exploration, renewable energy, and biotechnology, contributing to global advancements. Foodies rejoice in Almaty's culinary scene, where traditional Kazakh dishes like manti and shashlik mingle with international flavors. Whether you're dining in a cozy eatery or savoring street food at the local markets, Almaty's gastronomy is an unforgettable journey. Almaty's art and culture scene is a feast for the senses, with museums, theaters, and galleries showcasing the talents of Kazakh artists. The city's cultural calendar is filled with events, from ballet performances to film festivals, offering a glimpse into the soul of Kazakhstan. Almaty's green spaces provide respite from the urban bustle. Parks like Central Park offer serene settings for relaxation and recreation. Families gather for picnics, children play, and visitors unwind amidst lush greenery, creating a sense of community. Almaty is dedicated to sustainability, with initiatives promoting clean energy, recycling, and eco-conscious practices. Reforestation efforts in the surrounding mountains aim to preserve the natural beauty that defines Almaty. As the sun sets over Almaty, we conclude our immersive journey through this remarkable city, where apples, mountains, and culture unite to create an indelible experience. From its historical significance to its natural wonders, cultural riches, urban vibrancy, education, cuisine, art, and commitment to sustainability, Almaty stands as a testament to the harmonious coexistence of nature and civilization. If you enjoyed this exploration of Almaty, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences. And for more exciting adventures and travel insights, be sure to watch our other videos. Join us on our next journey to discover the beauty and wonder of our world. Thank you for joining us in exploring Almaty, Kazakhstan, where the spirit of the city mirrors the enduring grandeur of the mountains. Good night from the city of apples and mountains.